Rash Nique again. Hey.
On the road.
On the road. We are going on. I love road, you know.
Here, and I talk about me love road. Tell them where you got road go do. And say,
where you are gonna do?
No. Okay, that's true. She love her belly, so me have to go her road.
Hey.
Yeah.
You love my belly?
Yeah.
Say I love yours?
Not like you, baby.
Well, I love every part of me.
You know how long she depend. You want some fish, you want some fish, you want fish. So, I guess what, I'm not even if I don't have seaside where I go, but you don't know the things. I'll carry now. I'll carry now, you know?
Yeah, we're gonna get some fresh fish, fresh out of the water. No, put on ice for weeks and days.
Yeah, no frozen fish. Yeah.
You know, the real deal we go for. Straight out of the ocean.
She get both here now. She live in Florida, eh?
Yeah, I love it here. And the best decision we ever make. Well, best decision we ever make.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
She hype for the people that we have frozen fish. Oh God.
I want if people have fresh fish too, but sorry for the one that we don't. That's how you go.
You don't know the things that you know.
I don't know why we did have it, but now we have it.
Now we have it.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I
said. Take it for granted. So we're gonna get we look at fish now, cause you know Chef Boy and Rash are gonna chef up the place.
Yeah man, we do some excavation, some festival in idea. Yeah, the next time now we do probably some roast fish or some steam fish or something.
Sure, some lobster time have. And somebody special we're gonna deal with, you know, where get the thing from the sea and things.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see what going to reach and see what him have. But we know him have fish for sure.
Him just make the call and say, yo, the boat land.
The boat land, so yeah. And that we're gonna do, so we're drive out now.
The boat land. Say the boat land.
Go get the fish and people, I'm telling you, say, I feel good today because past 2 weeks, not good. My teeth, I have to take out my wisdom too. I'm not gonna see the vlog there. And then after the teeth I heal up now, I'm still not fully healed, but I feel better. After that now, we have flu.
Alright. You sure I flu, baby, man, I fly, you know.
So I just get over the flu and all that stuff, but I start to get back the energy and I feel good again and I'm ready for touch the road and yeah. Oh, and a whole heap of content we're going to, you know.
Yeah man. And so, I say you go.
Just bear with us. Yeah. We have a video we're gonna drop, we're gonna watch the video there, we're gonna tell you know why we move, you know, why we have to make that move here or whatever. But yeah. Just stay tuned, but
yeah,
I go watch the GPS because I really know where I got the first I go. So I want to pay attention to the GPS, so yeah man, big up on the
where reach?
Yeah.
On the seaside, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And as she says, she got seaside, you know.
But after I know which part I go.
That's a rat in the seaside, you go. But anyway, we reach a fish spot, we make know where I go on, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, reach on the ends now, don't
Lauderdale, ho.
Well, I know. She said a seaside she go, you know. Go buy a fish, you know. But watch her. We don't know where you see there.
See a fish.
She said she got a seaside, go buy a fish. And watch her. I know I'm building with there. You see how she done? Morning, my boss.
A seaside.
I see. Alright, see general.
Well fresh.
Let me show them.
Come show them, man.
Yeah.
Come show them everything. Straight I come from Key West. See them there?
Alright.
Yeah.
Well fresh.
Well fresh.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna clean them outside, no?
Alright then.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so we find a new place with the fresh fish.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Can we buy some fish right there?
Bend up.
Yeah.
You see how they touch in it just skin out so. Like old doctor fish.
Now go tell them what happened. Go tell them what happened to them fish. You see them fish with brown with meat and brown.
And that's how we get it.
Yeah, because
And that's how we get it.
box fish, them come from Mexico.
Oh,
and them
box
big
fish them.
Box, them come in a box.
Oh,
Yeah.
frozen fish and them take time.
Yeah,
Okay.
box fish them. But you see them fish, them fish come straight from Key West. I can show you something.
Yeah, for real.
Come look in the cooler.
Yeah. Show them in that cooler.
Straight
Show them in
straight
that
from
cooler.
Key West.
Wow.
Straight from Key West.
Yes, I eat that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's some fresh fish.
Yo, tell them, talk your number.
A&S Fresh Seafood, 954-759-1271.
Alright.
Yeah.
You hear that? In a Lauderdale area. No.
Lauderdale.
Alright, Lauderdale. Yeah, so link on the box in. You get my fish together.
Alright.
Yeah, we're back again. Duh, we get the fish them, you know. Scale them up properly and everything good. Duh. See your side with it. Yeah?
Don't bother the door.
Yo, see it there now.
ANS Fresh Seafood 954 368 5518. Link up.
Link up. And you know. Fish
fry.
Fish fry.
March 30th. They're gonna have soup, jerk pork fried fish, jerk chicken roast fish, everything you can think of. Music and everything. 30th of March.
As the promoter.
Yeah.
Yeah man, you don't know the thing set. Yeah. Yes, Florida. You don't know the thing set, you know. In a building. I go man now, go cook my fish and when man the woman I go sleep.
No, I'm not sleep.
And wake up tomorrow when the fish done. When it's done, nyam off the whole like.
Not sleep. And tomorrow I'm not sleep.
See a bar and grill in here 4 AM baby.
Sleep, what sleep I go? And fish I go cook.
Yeah.
And fresh fish from Key West.
You understand?
I go cook, what sleep I go?
Alright. Yeah man, we find a place man, so you don't know the thing set. No. So we go back home and now go sort out what we sort out.
Yeah.
And we're showing you the fish stuff when we done cook up and do this and that. No.
Yeah.
So go and big up on yourself until we reach home and I show you the food here.
Yeah.
If Nique na name off the fish.
Watch out.
Hey, peeps, you remember me talk about how them love them belly? Remember we just get fish, you know. We are going to do some fish and festival and so. Hear the woman to me. Oh, want to party, you know, watch her.
Like,
Charlie today,
you know, someone I eat one party from Charlie's door.
Here are the original Charlie's me I carry this time. You see me I say? And so she a behave. You see me?
No,
Yeah.
You need to stop the line.
Everywhere you go, you carry your belly. And that me I tell her. So she deal with the thing.
So I'm carry.
Yeah? Carry your back alone, man. Not carry no belly, man. You love your belly too much, man. Sure.
Yes, I know what you is, but I'm fixing my head.
Yeah, so. Alright. Best side, alright. Yes or no what the original Charlie's? From 19 how long, right? Alright. So them have everything, natural juice, everything. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Cheat chip, everything. Alright. So the pretty ladies. I mean, I big up your woman them. Alright. So, we're there now, we are get some party and then go home. So, we're going to come back with more, see? Alright. Yeah, peeps. There I go. We reach home now still, you know? Yeah, the woman when them 2 dozen party. Remember the last time when I tell us how the party them big? Look, one Nique. Sit, watch her. You can go one old hard bird, watch her. And she have a name after that, you know?
No, I'm not. I
cut my one because yo them so big. Then use no baby you never want to cut nothing. You know just a name so. You me tell the people how you love your belly. So you know me I go eat me color party. Finish
so
just
I love myself. I love all of me.
clean up my fish them and then you don't know our time now. And then little more now. When you get a little taste of what go on, I show you me I do and yeah I mean you don't know the thing set. When you call me baby Rash what kind of chef?
Huh?
Where you call me a little while? Rash
Chef boy or Rash?
Alright, the same word there. Yeah.
Boy.
The word the same way, you see me? And Devonay, you know, so Devonay says she want about 3 at the party them, so she get about 3, you know what I mean? See her right now, watch her. 3 background, that's a good. She gonna name off everything I know, watch her. So, what I don't know, link on the back like more saying, yeah. May I get to the side then?
Yeah. So people, we make it back home. We just eat. My gut full.
You're telling about the belly there, you know.
So, you don't know over there, so I'm telling the people this is the life. Look how the man surrounded by coconuts and fish, and we're outside at the yard, I do thing. And babes just the way how the man clean up the thing. Anjo, big up yourself. Watch out.
Yo, the fish them clean. I come say me I go scale off. Nothing to scale off, more wash off. Trust me. Big up yourself, Anjo.
Fish them fresh. Look at fish here. Look there. Fresh. Yeah man. The babes come out as now and I sort out and I deal with them if you deal with. Him have a whole heap of jellyfish. Him buckle some whole heap what there.
Alright.
Chop up and buckle up.
Alright.
So when we run out, you don't know, a time for re-up
we'll
again.
Go back a bush.
Right.
Yeah.
But we're full of
everything.
Full of everything, man. Fish
real Jamaican thing with me I deal with right now.
No, for real.
Yeah, because you know later, well, when I say escovitch fish, but a fry fish on festival, I'm a jelly water.
Yeah.
One nice so.
I tell you. Yeah, man.
In a real life.
So to make sure so I go check out the fish spot, we'll leave the we have the information on the vlog. So go check him out if you're in the Fort Lauderdale area.
Alright.
Don't know.
And if
you get a fresh fish.
Same thing around our the Lauderdale area.
Yeah, Lauderdale.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah, so and the weather nice.
Everything nice.
Oh, place, the weather nice, look there. Yeah.
And my wife nice too.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's me. Yeah. Well, so I forgot to pick up Yuri too, you know, from school and thing. But look how we accomplished. Look how much things we accomplished before we have to pick up the boy from school. So I don't know.
I'm sound like the old country boy.
Yeah.
Real country boy still, you know. Yeah, don't know anything.
Go in fish. Look, open up the fish.
Yeah.
There.
Me not do nothing.
Watch
I him do everything.
Look there.
Trust me.
Look there. Clean.
Yeah, man.
Nice fish.
Me not even raw.
Raw.
Although me use vinegar, but me still smell it before the vinegar. I said, damn.
In a sweet, cause all the chunk of the carrot with a fishy.
Alright.
And the carrot and a fishy.
So nobody watch this, you know, me I go wash out that later. So me I put here so me I do it back.
And that's how we look cooler where we go get the fish and thing.
I don't know the things yet, man.
So
me I go put up some in a freezer now, and then season some. The long belly. You see me call long belly.
I own him long belly.
No you.
You know you get bright.
Long belly love our belly, you know. You see me?
You know you get bright. You never know my belly long.
You never know.
At 13 years now you do with the long belly, so no matter with it.
Yeah, but then time
them time that what?
Then time
I inbreed me and stretch up my belly, make it long.
Baby,
yeah.
I give that part, you know, we talk where food going on, we not talk where your belly itself outside, you know. Yeah, I mean, you name so much.
You breed me and stretch up my ma.
Yo, come in your house and tell me.
Yo. You saw him stay people? He breed me up with that 9-pound picnic and then I chat foolishness.
And 9 and change, man.
With him big baby, them. That's how I make you know him can't come back right now. With son, I got 11. I turned 12 October and him can't come back.
You understand?
Him baby them too big.
But you know I no more picnic.
Good. We're on the same page.
I don't tell if it give me my picnic and go and babies and you still itch up.
What's that?
Itch up.
I don't know where you go.
Alright, so it's a 4 fish.
Alright. And we have a special bag them for freezer. So the thing them not get freezer burn. Yeah. So you have to do it, you know? And you spend your money on your nice, clean, fresh fish. You have to make sure so them preserved properly.
What you mean?
Yeah.
Tell them me.
And then they might look down and say, yo, I wanna deal with it.
Yeah. Fry up, man.
You wanna come go like someone wanna come kill man and eat man, you know.
Tell them long belly.
We're gonna deal with the case later. That me I tell you now.
Tell them long belly. Oh, them say festival, man.
Oh yeah. I will get Babes buy 4 pack of festival, so I'm gonna deal with that too. I will same place we get the festival up at the fish place. I'll bammy and them things.
Bammy everything.
Yeah.
Right, one spot.
One spot, one stop shop.
Alright.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Andrew. Yeah. Simple. That's the boss name for your place, yeah?
Yeah.
Gonna go downstairs to Rash Nique,
Yeah.
you get discount.
Yeah, make them know.
Yeah.
So I gotta deal with the fish up, we gotta season up and thing. So when you start seasoning up the fish now and thing, we check in back with them, yeah? Alright.
Eh, you don't know the thing set, you know. See it, you should have been there for the just a start, but you don't know the thing set. Some festival door. Now 1 fish left. 2 there fish in there, so. You know what I mean? 2 there so already. You don't know the things and some festival in the Isle of Guan. Yeah. And you know what I say already? Belly has over here, so wait.
Me here.
Belly is over here, so wait. You don't know the thing said, yeah. What my name again?
Chef Warren.
Oh, in a building, you don't know the thing said as me I said. Yeah man, I make dinner for my family. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
My wife, my kids, and my mother-in-law and father-in-law. Yeah. We outside I do the thing. No, sorry, we inside I do the thing. They don't know the thing said. Check it on it later. I go show you on plate before. If she never, you know me before she never have to think, you know.
Hey, don't come here.
You know Charlie has one never have to think then.
Watcha. Don't play with me. Where I tell them, sir?
Don't I tell them, no?
Tell them.
Yeah, she always and them out the food so then I get the final product. You see me by the time if you plate it, if you say video it, when you look around, a sauce of plate. That's how she go on.
And me not get none of that fish when I go see what I go on. Yeah.
I never said, I say when you go show them before you're never happy. That's what I said.
It's a chef. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't know the thing.
Hold them, Rash, hold them.
Every day. Every night.
Well, fish done nice, Lord God.
Yeah, and an escovitch and thing, I just fry fish.
Me say when mommy done with them fish eye and the egg.
Yeah, she don't want an escovitch, just a fry.
Yeah, the vinegar thing not too agree with me.
So like for wife you don't like it, me not do it.
Yeah.
So who want that?
Cause my baby,
Yeah.
my baby wanna make sure I'm happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to make our gut full all the while, it's not a problem, you know.
You know me I look off the camera for you, cause I be a liar tell.
But we can't turn on and talk. Turn on, you know what I said.
You know say you not rate me? Yo.
Great, that's so much highly
I
about
say you
it.
talk up the whole of my business. I know my business still not be a liar tell.
Highly.
The festival them brown and pretty though.
Like me.
What you?
Like me.
You're not pretty.
The brown though.
You're handsome.
Yeah.
You're face boy.
Me not handsome. Me all of some. I know me and alone.
Yo, it just remind me of the sitting what we do. The reels I'm doing say. I hate when people say you think you are that. What I'm supposed to think? I'm half of that? No, for real. It's people supposed to think them half of that. You're supposed to love yourself and think say you're the best.
But they don't understand that they I remember they never get the system trick them years now. You have to look certain way and all and something. You have to just love yourself no matter how you feel say you look away.
Right. Well,
God don't make mistake. Me sure about that.
me a self-love queen. Everybody know that.
Alright.
Yeah, me love myself. Love every part of me.
No matter how a human being look, God don't make mistake for it.
Yeah, true.
True.
Real talk.
Although some people look like when God didn't make them eat in the rum,
I
but
wouldn't.
he don't make a mistake.
No, sir. Not on the rum. Someone not easy.
But he still don't make them mistake no matter how them look at them and try to say and then if you just love themselves and that's it.
That's true. You love yourself, man. You don't love yourself, you can't love nobody the right way. So you go. But yeah, We love what me love what go on right here, so that me love. Other than myself, I love what go on in that party.
As she serve them fish and festival.
God first.
Yeah?
God first, then serve on. Yeah. You know it already.
Before you love your belly, you put all yourself first before food.
I'm not laughing, no.
Me a laugh, bro?
I'm not laughing, yo. You get too bright. Yeah. Much more fish after prayer. One more after them two, yeah.
You not done now? Start showing our plate when it's finalized, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Back at it again, done. Final lap now, done. Yeah. Nick! Your food ready? This is a Nick one, you know.
Don't make me rude.
Come, baby. Come sit right here, baby. Come sit right here, baby.
I'm not sitting there.
Come right here, baby.
That's not my food. No, we are breaking.
Me tell you now. Fair one that. You see me?
What?
Me eat my one already. Yeah, me have like half a fish and 2 festival and you them eat already. So that away we left. She say, yo, don't wanna eat man and we're not done. We come eat. At this they not left outside.
See not for the
yeah. I saw Nick beer with food there, man. So I don't know the thing set. Remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Say Rash Nique in the building. In the Florida building too. Remember me tell you that. Yeah. But you must get none still enough. But you can't still drop. Yo.
So next time we will get it.
That's true. You know, make a comment but you want to drop. Long belly. Yeah, right. Put in a comment section. Long belly. You don't know.
Put in the comment section. More I'm gonna put in the comment section. Chicken body mouth. Yeah.
You see, at this year, this man after me now this time just attack it true. Just me say, you don't know Rash Nation. Remember Rash Nation. Long belly. Put long belly in the comment section. See, so don't do it. Go and big up on yourself. And until the next one, I don't know the thing set. Bye.